Hi everyone, it's Johnny here, and I'm going to be running through a Palladium trade we recently closed. So this trade was made roughly in the middle of May. So you can see here this was made on the 22nd of May, which is this bar here. What we noticed was that it was making recent lows. So you can see here there's a few anchoring points around. If you even go back, it's slowly trending up. And you can see this repeating pattern where the price dips to a low and then breaks up again and dips to a low and pulls back up again. So we noticed this was happening, and also this was one of our key signals here, was a pull back into the Bollinger Band. So this is our Bollinger Band here. And what happened on the 22nd of the 5th was we had a break back into the Bollinger Band, so this signaled a buy signal for us. And as you can see by this green line, we entered on the 771 level. So we entered here. The initial few days weren't brilliant. We got an increase the first day, we thought it was good signs, but then it came back down. I should mention our stop loss was roughly around here, the 749, 747 level. So we were getting a little bit nervous when we start to see reds here, but that's always the issue with these. With starting out in a position, you're probably going to get a negative in the start of these positions before they really take hold. And as you can see, on the 26th was the first big up day back into consolidation. And what happened is we held this position all the way up here, and then finally what happened on the 2nd of the 6th was we got a breakout of all-time highs. So I think this high was, it's a long time ago that it was ever this high. So this is quite a big moment, and what actually happened was it closed out at a high, which is always a bullish sign. So it closed out, came back a little bit the next day, and then this day was absolutely ridiculous. There was low volume and it spiked all the way up to 910, and I think I was on roughly $1,000 profit at this moment. But because we have a strict exit strategy, we don't tend to get out of positions unless they're 2, 3, 4 weeks old. We actually managed to exit this position on the 27th of the 6th, so that was the 858 level. And as you can see from this profit loss graph here, this profit loss indicator here, we actually made a risk reward of 3.9 to 1, so about 4 to 1 risk to reward, which is absolutely brilliant. So you're making 4 times back any positions you've recently lost. So that's the way we think about it. So that's obviously going to keep you trading for a lot longer and hopefully make you some profit in the long run. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to go through today, just showing you how exactly we entered this position and how we closed out based on our time-based exit strategy. And as I say, this is quite a good trade because it actually broke out of all-time highs, so that's why we made that extra bit of profit right at the end there. Okay, thanks for listening and good luck trading.